Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can create this really cool glowing text effect in CapCut. So I'm just going to press new project and I'm going to select from stock videos this background, press add, and you are going to add a text. Add text, and I'm just going to write down glow, but you can of course write whatever you want. And then I'm going to pick a font for it. Sorry, go to style. And I'm going to pick a font, maybe this one. And I'm going to resize it so you can really see it. And I'm going to go to style again and go to style and choose a pink color. You can choose any color, any color you'd like. Press the checkmark button and you are just going to export this. Press done, go back to that project, press the plus button over here and select the video you have exported and press add. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to move it to the front. Go to text, select your text and move it to the front and delete the background. So now you have this text overlapping the other text. Go to style and go and choose a white color. Go to animation and go to loop and click random flash. Press the checkmark button. Then select anywhere else, like for instance this, or go back right here. And then you're going to go and press effects, video effects, and under shadow you are going to select the angel one. You can adjust the intensity here, like how much you want it to glow. I prefer not that much, like around this much. Oops, I forgot to. And you can also add another effect, so press video effects, go under basic and add camera shake. And I like to adjust the speed to around 10. And that is basically it. You now have this glowing text effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!